Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to trade gold futures on Binance. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead and search for XAUUSDT, right? You're going to see Perp Futures Gold. This is the virtual gold price, okay? So now if you feel a little bit risky today, you're going to go long or short if you're expecting the price will go down, okay? So let's say I'm going long. Select the type of order, right? Maybe you want to buy or sell at a specific price or better, or maybe you want to place a market order, which will be canceled if it matches an existing order, or you can buy or sell at the best available market price, or you're gonna set conditional, trailing stop, TWAB, place orders at a custom intervals, or scaled order, like set price range and place multiple limit sub orders. Okay, I'm gonna stay in limit. Select the percentage of virtual gold you want to buy, say 44%. And of course, set the TP and SL depending on the price in the side panel. Okay, you can see the latest update here. So if you're expecting the price will go up, you're gonna take profit at the top and set the stop loss to stop the bleeding if your expectation wasn't met. Okay. And the same goes for short. If you're expecting the price will go down, you're gonna take profit. But if the price go the opposite way, you're gonna stop the bleeding by setting the stop loss. So this really helps if you want to protect your trading. So stop buying or selling, and please study the market because it's highly volatile. So consider liking this video, subscribing, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Until next time, see you.